Why does the bracha on bread cover the whole meal? Bread is connected to the meal because it's the quintessential human food. This covers everything else. Bread is like on the highest level of human food, and it requires divine intellect to produce bread. Without that God-given intellect, we're just animals. Animals can't make bread. And so we say, HaMotzi lechem min haaretz. It's almost like we're thanking Hashem. We're saying, HaMotzi lechem min haaretz, as if God took the bread out of the earth. What do you mean God took the bread? I made the bread. Right? I worked hard. I plowed and I winnowed and I did all this stuff. And I ground it and I sifted and I did this whole thing and I put the yeast in and I baked it. And then we say, no, but thanks Hashem for bringing the bread out of the earth. What? Right. So it's because it would have been impossible without that divine intellect that we have to produce the bread. Right? So it's
and
God gave us.
Like to draw out?
HaMotzi lechem, literally to bring out, motzi, to bring out the bread from the earth. The bread didn't come from the earth. Right. In terms of the simple shit. I had to create it in this long process that took a long time. But it would have been impossible without divine intellect. So when it comes to the tree of knowledge, and the Nachash tells Adam and Eve, oh, if you eat this, you're going to be like the divine. You're going to have divine knowledge. Oh, you see, that's the wheat connection. You need divine knowledge to generate bread from wheat. So there's 3 opinions that our sages give. There's actually another opinion that it might have been an etrog, the etrog for Sukkot. But in that particular place, our sages say that you have the grain, the wine, and the fig. And something really cool is if you actually put the initials of these. So one of the names in the Torah, words in the Torah for grain is dagan. And then grapes is anavim with an ayin. And figs is te'ena. So if you do the initials, dagan, anavim, te'ena is da'at. So it's etzadat, the tree of knowledge. So it was a unique tree, it was a unique species, but it had aspects of the grain being this divine, requiring divine intellect. It had aspects of wine being intoxicating, and it had aspects of the fig, the sexual, sensual part of it. It had all those aspects in this special species of the etzadat.